A wet event when disconnecting supply lines means small, controllable water release, while a plumbing flood means large, uncontrolled flow that causes damage and needs immediate containment. When you disconnect a supply line, first isolate the fixture by shutting the specific shutoff valve, and then relieve residual pressure by opening the fixture faucet briefly. This prevents a pressurized blast down the hose. Always test the valve by cracking the connection slightly with a finger or wrench so you can feel whether water still seeps under low pressure before fully loosening the fitting. Keep a bucket and absorbent towels directly under the connection, and route towels to protect floors and adjacent cabinets, because even a small trickle can wick into porous materials quickly. Use compression caps, threaded hose caps, or a spare coupling to temporarily seal the supply stub if you will leave it unattended. Make sure the cap is compatible with the thread type and tightened hand tight, plus a quarter turn with a wrench to avoid over-torquing. If the valve is old or stiff, work it back and forth a few times to seat the compression seal, and consider replacing the valve if it shows corrosion, swelling, or continuous drip when closed. For jobs near finished floors or inside cabinets, place a plastic tray under the work area and elevate any stored items to prevent water damage from even a minor wet event. Homeowners commonly underestimate remaining pressure in closed systems when valves feel off but still leak. Double check by opening the downstream faucet to relieve trapped water and by slightly loosening the fitting to verify no pressurized jet will occur. Another frequent issue is relying on towels alone, which lets hidden moisture migrate into cabinetry and subfloors. Use an impermeable tray and remove items from the area to stop wicking and mold risk. A third problem is not having the right temporary sealing hardware on hand, which turns a manageable wet event into a flood when a valve fails or a line fractures. Keep compression caps or extra supply hoses and basic hand tools nearby, and test them once so you can cap or reconnect immediately. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare their work and availability related to plumbing and water management. We connect contractors seeking jobs with homeowners and host an active discussion community where we share practical tips, ask questions, and learn from real experiences.